Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make a Turkish pie with ground beef. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First we're gonna see our ingredients. 2.5 cups of white flour, 500 grams of ground beef, 1 cup of warm milk, a quarter cup of vegetable oil, some bell pepper, different colors, around 1 of each color, some yellow corn, some mozzarella cheese, 2 chopped onions, red ones, you can use the white one too, 1 spoon of tomato sauce, 1 spoon of 7 spices, 1 spoon of sweet paprika, small spoon of dry coriander, some black seed, 1 big spoon of yeast, 1 big spoon of sugar, small spoon of baking powder, and some salt. My friends, these are our ingredients, and now let's see how to prepare our pie. In a bowl, put the milk, the vegetable oil, the yeast and the sugar. Mix all together very well and leave it for 10 minutes until the yeast start fermenting. After 10 minutes, as you can see, our yeast start fermenting. Add 2 cups of flour and leave the other half aside just in case. Add over it the baking powder and the salt, then start kneading it. Kneading it around 7 minutes, and during the process, if you need more flour, add from the half cup that we left it aside. If not, and this is enough, then leave it as it is. After you finish, cover the dough and leave it fermenting for 1 hour. During that, let's prepare the filling. On the stove, put some vegetable oil in a frying pan. Then add over it the onion and leave it cooking until the onion is tender. Add over it the salt, the black pepper, the 7 spices, the dry coriander, and the sweet paprika. Mix all together. Then add the meat. Leave the meat cooking until it's well done. After that, add over it the bell pepper, the corn. Mix all together. And finally add the tomato sauce. Leave it cooking for around 5 minutes and that's it. Our filling is ready. And now let's see our final step. In the oven tray, Add some vegetable oil and whip it also with the vegetable oil. Then add a butter paper. After that, bring our dough. As you can see, after 1 hour, it's ready. Press it with your hand to take out all the air from it and divide it into parts. Extend the first part in the tray and make sure to make the size of it higher. Then add over it some mozzarella cheese. Then the meat, our filling. Make sure that the meat does not cover the sides of the dough. Then add over the meat more of mozzarella cheese. After that, over the surface, add some flour. Then start extending the other half, like you see in the video. After you finish, cover the pie with this half. Make sure to close all the sides very well. When you finish, with a knife, make some holes in it to take out all the air from inside. Then add over it a little bit of mozzarella cheese and some black seed. Then put it in an oven with 200 degrees of temperature from below and leave it baked for around 25 minutes or the time that the dough needs to be baked. And finally, this is our Turkish pie with ground beef. My friends, this is all for today. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and goodbye.